Kat is one of the key members of our creative team, and she teaches fashion and art and design. So she's absolutely brilliant. Her enthusiasm, her passion and commitment is just infectious. The rapport she has with her students is amazing. Her students just love her. And but mainly because of the life-changing experiences that she makes sure that her students, experience as part of their course.
Teaching is a lifestyle, and you've got to be really passionate about it, because if you're not, the learners won't feel that either. And I do feel really lucky that I teach. I feel excited to teach. I really do. I think we've all met people in our jobs within the creative world where people can be quite shy and anxious, ironically, and I think by being able to create art is a way of them expressing themselves through that. So for example, with the Humans of Cardiff, I asked my learners to go into town and approach the people that made them think of Cardiff and what it meant to them. They had to kind of get a background story, they had to get some photographs, and that was obviously a really challenging thing, and I think it terrified a lot of them, understandably. The way I proposed it to my students was the fact that we live in such a digital age. I'm really awful for it. I walk down the street, got my headphones in, and you don't really say hello to anybody, so the whole point of the task was to say hello to people and just to talk to people.
If you do a course with Kat, you're not just going to be doing your coursework, you're going to be involved in collaborations with other departments, you're going to be involved with the community. She really makes sure that your experience at the college is the best it possibly could be. Cardiff
is changing so rapidly at the minute. Everything's being rebuilt, and I think it's really important to try and reach out to different communities and to make them feel like that they're aware they are welcome here, or even if it's us going out to lead programmes within the community. I would love to see that.
Well done, Kat. You really deserve this. Congratulations.
Really overwhelmed and grateful. But I couldn't have done it without the support of my team and the learners. I am so fortunate to work with brilliant people that have really influenced my work and my knowledge, and I couldn't be more thankful for their help.